Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about the write function. So I have created a table in an Excel workbook. So in this table I have written some names over here, and we will use write function to get the last name of the users. So what I'll do is I'll just write equal to RIGHT and press tab, and then I'll select the text, then I'll press comma, and I'll give the number of characters. Let's say in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'll just type 6, press enter. So it will give the last name for me. And if I want to get like if I drag till bottom, so I'm getting like not the right output. So what I'll do is I'll just correct all this number of characters. So what I'll do is I'll write 5 in this case, I'll write 4 in this case, and I'll write 5 in this case because I'm getting extra space, and in this case 3 2 5. So I'll be writing 5, and here also 5, and here 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3 4 5. So as you can see now my output is right, and this is how you can use write function to get the required output. And I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.